What's the other one? Stereo. Logical risk. Okay. It says that certain actions are right not because of some benefit to ourselves or others, but because
Saktan to. Saktan niya. Sir,
Wait lang.
ay,
Ikaw nga rin. Sir, yung likod ka mo.
okay. This one is the opposite of the pleasure principle. It's not about the benefit to the right. Certain actions are right not because of some benefit that we derive, or not because of the pleasure, but because of the nature of the action. In other words, we are under the system, we are looking at the nature of the action. It's not the benefit that we derive. Okay? In other words, this is probably the universal ethics or the universal truth that we're talking about. Looking at the nature of the action, regardless whether you are benefiting or not of the action. Okay? In other words, you are guided by the universal principle, the universal right. Okay? Now, to me, this is better than the pleasure principle. Okay? Because, for instance, just basing your actions on Ten Commandments, for instance, Ten Commandments. Okay? Under pleasure principle, thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's wife. Under pleasure principle, that's okay. That's because it's pleasurable. Well, under this deontological truth, okay, coveting thy neighbor's wife is against the Ten Commandments, and therefore it's not right. See, that's why this is better. The nature of the action is the one that is being contested here. Okay? Thou shalt not kill, for instance. I want to go basic because let's understand each other in the basic term. Thou shalt not kill, Ten Commandment. Okay? Now, how about if you're a soldier? You're killing a enemy. You're in a war, and you have to kill the enemy soldiers. Are you violating the Ten Commandments? Are you violating the Ten Commandments?
yes.
Are you committing sin? See? That's a sticky question. Because at last, that's why